How to fix LG TV won't turn on red light blinking. Is the power standby indicator turned on but the power won't turn on? Turn on the TV using the power button on the TV. Button location may differ by product. So locate the button, press it to turn on the TV. If the power button works okay, check if the remote control battery has run out or if the remote control works normally. So is the power standby indicator turned off but the power won't turn on? Check if the power is supplied from the power outlet by connecting other appliances to it and checking their operation. If they work normally, check the earth leakage breaker. If this is switched off, put it back on. If the problem persists, make sure to contact LG Electronics Service Technician for further troubleshooting support.